This video is going to show how to configure plot windows in OrCAD PSpice to efficiently analyze simulation results. Before any plot windows are available, a simulation must be run. Open the provided design in PSpice Designer. If the Simulation Manager Product Choices window opens, select the appropriate license and click OK. Select PSpice, Run from the menu. The PSpice AD window opens with VVOut plotted, as a probe was placed on the VVOut node in the schematic. If different scaling is expected for multiple traces, an additional y-axis can be added for better visibility. Select Plot, Add y-axis from the menu. This will add an additional y-axis to the side of the plot. With the new axis selected, select Trace, Add Trace from the menu. The Add Traces window opens. Select IQ1B from the Simulation Output Variables list and click OK to add the trace. View the new plot. The current remains relatively constant between 10 kHz and 3 MHz, after which point it rises exponentially. A new axis can be placed on either side of the plot and labeled for even more clarity. Select Plot, Axis Settings from the menu. The Axis Settings window opens. Select the Y-axis tab. Select 2 from the Y-axis number dropdown. Set the axis position to right. Enter Q1 base current for the axis title. Select 1 from the Y-axis number dropdown to configure settings for the original axis. Enter output voltage for the axis title. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. Trace properties can be adjusted to change colors, symbols, and width to improve visibility even further. Right-click the voltage trace and select Trace Property. Select a thicker trace from the Width dropdown and click OK. Right-click the current trace and select Trace Property. Select a thicker trace from the Width dropdown and click OK. While multiple axes are helpful, sometimes it is beneficial to add a new plot to the window. Select Plot, Add Plot to Window from the menu. A new plot is added above the populated one. Select the legend icon for VVOut and press Ctrl X to cut. With the new plot selected, press Ctrl V to place the trace. Right-click the output voltage axis in the original plot and select Delete Y-axis. Each trace is now within its own plot with its own y-axis scale. Measurements can be added for automatic calculations and numerical analysis of a simulation. To add measurements, select View, Measurement Results from the menu. A Measurement Results subpanel is now visible at the bottom of the screen. Select Click here to evaluate a new measurement. The Evaluate Measurement window opens. From the Functions or Macros list, select Max to add a maximum function. From the Simulation Output Variables list, select VVOut to add the VVOut variable to the function. Click OK. The measurement is added to the table and the maximum output voltage is reported. To expedite the process when running a simulation multiple times, a plot display can be reused. Select Simulation, Edit Profile from the menu or the Edit Simulation Settings button from the toolbar. Select the Probe Window subpanel from the list on the left side of the window. Under Show, select Last Plot. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. This will configure the plot with the same settings, traces, plots, and measurements as the previous simulation. Close the PSpice AD window. Select PSpice, Run from the menu. View the results. The same plots are shown as before. Quickly and easily configure plot windows for optimal trace analysis in PSpice. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.